you don't have mind. First of all, think. First of all, think. First of all, think. Then after you ask me question.
Listen. The love and bond is most important to get married. Money is the secondary thing. I already told you that money is important, but not more than time. What if he will not give me time? I can earn money. We can earn money together also.
Money we are making, time we are not making.
But we can buy the time with the help of money. I can save my time because it's taking too much time.
Subhas, why do you want to go immediately? Because you know the value of time.
No. Actually,
Excuse me, listen to me carefully. This is conferencing Q&A. Public will be asking you a question and you will be sitting here, you will be answering according to the question. This team is absolutely supporting money. And these people are money oriented. They can sell their kidney as well. They can sell their respect as well for money, right? Excuse me, you can sell your respect as well. अपनी इज्जत भी बेच देंगे आप. अच्छा, you can buy respect, but you cannot sell respect, right? And you people have so much time, right? How free you are, guys. You respect time, yeah. They have, guys, importance of the time. They have indispensability of time. That is why they're sitting here. Ladies and gentlemen, one person will be coming from here, will be sitting down here. You all have to ask question after a bit opinion. If she and he is not able to talk, then he or she will go back. And then one person will be coming from here. Means this kind of process will keep on going and keep on going. Let me see which team performs well. So what do you think which team is going to perform well? Money. Wait. I have been worried since yesterday about time, guys. These people are damn lethargic since yesterday.
So we are not wasting our time, we are utilizing our time.
Really? Yes. Then where were you yesterday if you don't have to... you paid and pay importance of time, but you were enjoying here and there. It's okay. I was just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, right in white, the first person of the day in this batch E. And he and she is gonna rock. Please be confident, talk lovingly, unflinchingly, and of course tantalizingly. Here we have one of the most seniors. She has been coming here for the last 3 years. Ladies and gentlemen, please invite Miss Neha to be on the stage, and everybody has to ask questions.
First of all, I would like to greet our respected CAB sir, who honored me this has made me the part of this debate. And my simply thought, I just want to say that time is what will never be back. Once, like our childhood, I think nobody remembers his or her childhood. Once it's gone, it's never be back. I think our class 12th has gone. I think they will never come back. I think today what we are sitting here, this day will never come back.
Right.
And not only this, I think the life we have enjoyed will never come back, and our generation will only enjoy that time. It's the real meaning of time. Once the time is gone, you'll never be, only will be regretting for that time. What if I don't have done what I should have done that? Only we just at the last feed the regression, only left with regression and nothing more. And you the greedy people running after money and money. Do you know what? Open your eyes. There is no importance of money, only importance of time.
My goodness.
Because if the patient, if I give the example of mobile phone, like I'm having iPhone, what if I don't have time to utilize that phone? There is no use of that phone.
Really?
Yes, sir.
My God, there is no use of iPhone, guys.
Sir, if you don't
She's
have...
only the one who gets flirted by so many people because of iPhone.
No, sir.
Just kidding.
Sir,
Yeah.
I just only simply want to say that how it's no matter how expensive phone you have with you, but you don't have time to utilize that phone. It's no use of that. And the second example I would like to give you that if the patient is fighting for her life, like he or she went for the hospital, what if the person is when he or she reach the hospital and is die? On time, when you will not bring that patient, the patient will die. Your money will not matter over there.
Excuse me, I can't
Their
tolerate this point.
time is
I
important.
can't tolerate this
You
point.
need to
Ma'am, money can buy time.
How can you buy like
Because
time?
I am in hospital
Okay.
and I have money. I can buy I have any problem and I tell my doctor they can.
Ma'am, you didn't
But you
understand.
have time. You don't have money. Then how I?
Ma'am, you didn't understand my question.
Yes.
You didn't. Okay. What if you bring that patient late? The patient will almost die there. Your money, your system will not work there. At that time, time is important when you're not bringing that patient on time. And you're talking about money.
Doctor
Money.
always say they only.
Money. Doctors give time to bring the money, and there are very possibility to get instant loan. You can go get loan and get the treatment. But what happened when you are?
And man, please sit down.
Sir, I'm not comfortable while sitting
Loan is present in the form of time or money.
because the doctor gives.
Loan.
Sir, that
we
money-
get loan in the form of time
See,
or
once
money.
let me answer
Loan costs
that,
money.
sir. If you will not give the time, so how that person will earn money and how the person will bring the money? At that point, no.
Because
not talking about that time.
the person have already idea. Money, time is we invest our time for getting money.
Of course.
That means money is more important than time.
Of course.
No, the person,
Go back.
sir, you have made this full aura, this auditorium, everything.
Because of time, guys.
No, sir. Yes, sir. You have made. Sir, you have given time. That's why you have made this auditorium and this aura.
Guys, is it free of cost?
Sir, you have given time. You have invested your time. You have
Because of money.
because of reputation.
Because of money.
Because
Reputation
see,
comes from money.
Thela wala is also earning on the Kapurthala Chora. But he is here because of his reputation. You guys are here because of his reputation. Because of his skill. You guys are here because of his skill.
I invested my time back.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't have money.
Oh, yes. महिला का बात दबाई ना जाए.
If I don't have money, how can I come here?
How can I come here? And cab sir is here because of money, guys.
Money is secondary thing. Money, just listen. With your 15,000 money, you are earning more than that. You are learning skill. You know, you can be the next capser.
You will say,
You can be the next capser.
he said that, sir, money is secondary thing. Money is secondary. He
Heart
said,
ka mail. Sir, what is heart? It's that's of hand.
I have a question.
It's only coming and going.
I have a question for you. You said that money is secondary thing.
Yes.
I am sitting here. Firstly, I have give money. I have paid money to master. Then I have came here to
See,
take class. You can say
because
money
cab
is
said
secondary
no.
thing. How you can say that?
Because Cap said no, many rich people are there. But when you are belonging to that kind of family, no sir. Sir, I'm saying let me have my words first of all. Because Cap said no, many rich people are there. But Cap sir is also giving time for that people who are not able to give money for the one installment. He's giving the time.
Of course.
It's not like that he's.
And I'm utilizing my time for you. That's why you're giving money. Come on. Yes, Ritika.
But sir, have money. That's why people give respect him, na. So
Adesh,
you tell na.
So Cap sir is here for the name and frame, na.
Because they don't have lots of money.
That's why people do not
But
respect.
Cap sir have lots of money. That's why people respect him. Yeah.
More than money, Cap sir has name and frame, and people are coming for that.
No, ma'am. Cabs are providing free training who are not able to pay the money. But what about
See,
if
in
our people are coming from village area, where he will live? Because if they don't have, he don't have money, how can they find the accommodation for living,
Yeah,
for rent room, for eating for her stomach.
See, if the person has came here,
But he
the
has
person
lots
has
of
come
time.
here.
He
What?
has lots of time, but he don't have money. He doesn't
If
have money.
he has come here with the dream of learning English, he must have
money.
It's very small
He must
amount.
have
It's
money.
not lakhs of money. It's not charging lakhs
You
of
mean
money.
na money is important.
It's
It's not
something
about
this.
1 rupee,
It's
it's not
something
about
this, and you're
1,000
learning
crore.
something that. I'm
Manage
talking about
money.
that.
Manage money. Even 1 rupee or even 1
But
lakh.
money is not everything. Open your eyes. Leave your greeds.
No.
Money is not everything. Money cannot buy happiness.
Say, how can say, ma'am? How can say
Money
money is
cannot
not everything?
happiness.
Money is everything in this era.
Money is nothing in this
Money
era.
is everything in this era.
That is-
Money can buy your time.
that is
Money can
only-
buy your you also, yeah. Money can buy you also.
It's not like this that money can buy me. It's not like that,
Money
sir.
can buy lots of people. If I don't have my muscle is not strong, I can buy bouncer. I can hire bouncer with the
But
money.
that is fake. That is fake. In this world,
Not fair. Bouncer and fake. What are you saying? Back up into the reality. Back up into the reality.
Give me the mic. You don't know the bouncer? The bouncer means, black people. black people, right, left. Yes. It's okay, right? So here, this was Neha shining before you all, talking about the importance of time, but she couldn't debate you well. She was completely trapped by you all. Yes, of course, you couldn't answer very well. Bouncer, that is your problem. I think you should pay money more.
You can buy the prime bag.
Exactly.
Extra money.
Extra money, then you will be able to understand what is bouncer, right? These people know very well. Now I need a person from this team to be here and debate with him or her, guys. Come on, who wants to come here? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Subhas is damn excited. Please come here and sit down. And I want everyone to sit down, guys. Don't walk.
Firstly, thank you, sir.
Please, yes. Everybody has to ask question. Come on. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I would like to thank Mr. Cap, sir, to having a good and a wonderful opportunity to express and to express my thought in front of you, before you. So, who is first to ask me question about against the money? Because in one line from my side, money is everything in this era.
Of course, money is everything. Money can buy.
Listen.
money can buy a fake family. Like if you don't have
Let
family.
others ask us. Well, you have a
Listen.
secret. Take risk.
If I want to make a good bond, can be bond make a good bond by money?
Yes, because money is everything. I don't have money, though no one respect me, no one attach me.
It comes with spending times.
No,
With-
no, it's come with money. If I have money,
No,
I can pay.
Listen,
I have money.
I am telling you.
Are you saying that you make a bond with your mother with the help of money?
You know, mother is the natural. That bond comes from the naturally. That
How
can't be
naturally?
buy because
You
we
make-
can be born. No, listen first. Be born from mother. So it's the naturally bond. We can't buy.
But mother give you time, nourishment, love, so that it
Because
makes a good
she
bond
is
with your
preparing me
mother.
for earning money. That's why. See.
What?
No, because
A baby is not earning money. She's talking
the
about
baby is not earning money.
Oh, so she's talking about mother is nourishing a baby.
Sir.
That's why that's a good bond.
Sir, how to nursing? Because she don't have any money.
Your mother is nourishing because of money. He's saying.
Yes.
How?
Because how can buy any like oil? She don't have money. See how can't? Huh?
She doesn't have money.
She doesn't have money. How can buy any oil for nourishment her child?
Don't have that much of resources and that much of money. Then also they are earning. They are also earning.
No.
If in this era he's talking about a mother needs a lot of things to feed a baby, right? So from where she will get? She must have money now. That's why. for milk, for many things actually, right? For pampering.
What about partial of mother, sir? They don't care our children.
But he's
I am talking about now, currently in this era.
Can survive that type of thing.
yes, Anju Naima.
I want to ask one question. You have money, so where did the money come from? Without taking time,
Without utilizing,
without taking time, without hard working,
without working hard.
working hard.
Get.
I get money from my Purvaj. Because Purvaj means
How
because
can
my
you get
father,
that
my
money?
father have money.
So where is your father get money?
But we are not talking about how to get, how to earn money. We are not talking about the how to earn money. We are talking about the you how much you have money.
Money we are making, time we are not making.
But we can buy the time with the help of money.
You
Yes, yes, we can buy the time with the help of money. Let me explain. I have an example. If I need to go from Lucknow to Banaras by walking, I don't have money. So we can go? How can I go there? By walking. So it's paidal. Listen. Yes, definitely, bro. I can go by paidal. Definitely, I can go by the walk. But if I have money, I can go there by the help of train, by the help of bus. I save my time. I can purchase.
Listen.
Because I have money, I can save my time. Because it's taking too much time.
Subhash, why do you want to go immediately? Because you know the value of time.
I have a meeting in Banaras. I have to go into the 1 hour or 2 hour. How can I go? I don't have money.
By
walking.
you can-
But I have money.
Listen. By walking you can, but you know the value
By
of
walking,
time.
I-
That's why you are
Yeah, by walking I have to
by
go.
train or by
No, listen, first
flight.
listen. By walking we have to go, but it's taking lots of time.
No,
But I have money.
That's why now I'm saying like,
How will they go? By flight.
By flight,
Okay.
because of money.
Why not?
Flight
You
is
know the
saving
value
time,
of
guys.
time.
Flight is saving time. Time is important. Please sit down. Please sit down. So flight is saving time, na? Flight is saving time. It means Mukesh Ambani understand the importance of time. That's why he's going by flight. He is saying that they are saving the time. So saving time means you have importance of time.
Example of the purchase, how can purchase the time?
That is other thing. You are saving your time or not?
No.
Or why not? You are reaching by 2 hours.
I can purchase the time, sir.
It's not like that.
Everyone has, sir.
I
Everyone
can
has
purchase the
only
time. I
24
can't
hours.
spend.
Sir, everyone has 24 hours, not 24 hours, 1 second, sir. Everyone has 24 hours only.
Everyone
You
has
can't buy 1 second in a day, in your life.
And actually they want to say that they are trying to say that we are utilizing our time to make money. And that money we are using to save our time. Do you understand that or not? You are saying, how can you go to Banaras? They are purchasing ticket, no doubt. They are giving time to make money. They are saving time. They are valuing the time.
Sir, in this era, I need to make a skill. So how can I get the skill? Because I spend
time.
Spend time.
Spend time.
But
You can
but
study
in this
after
era,
that you can-
no one can teach you without money.
There are a lot of platforms are free.
Please
free
sit
of
down.
cost. You
Please sit
can
down.
spend time.
This time is unacceptable. Please sit down. Mr. Subhas, you did well job, but let me tell you, the skill doesn't mean that it will definitely come by teaching. The skill, what is a skill? Do you know that? What is a skill? A skill can be making puncture as well, sir. A skill can be making roti as well, sir. And to learn and to develop one skill, you need to utilize time. You don't need to utilize money. That is the other thing that you have to buy some courses. I know how to make chapati. I learned by money. That's my skill. I know how to make biryani. That's my skill actually. Did I learn by money? I'm sorry. The next person, please. The next person, please. Who wants to come? Hello. Miss Dipti, please come to the stage.
Good evening, everyone. This is Deepthi, and today the topic is already we know what is the most important, time or money. So, in my opinion, let me complete. In my opinion, time is the most important, then money. I'm not saying that money is not important, money is also important, but the topic is what is most important, and the most important is time. And you can ask questions.
If you want to marry with someone, okay, with someone. Wait, let me complete it. He was unemployment. He's unemployment, just like an Allah. Okay.
Yes.
You want to marry with her? Can you marry with her?
Yeah, I can marry. You know what? To marrying someone, the bond is most important. The love is most important. Listen. The love and bond is most important to get married. Money is the secondary thing. I already told you that money is important, but not more than time. What if he will not give me time? I can earn money. We can earn money together also.
Of course, husband needs to give time actually.
Yes.
Of course.
Money is everything.
For week together.
Listen. If you hear learning English on the basis of money, why?
But I am.
How?
Listen.
Who spend the time? Who? Cabs are spend the time on the basis of money, bro. Cabs are on. Listen. If you hear learning English, okay, and skills on the basis of money, you pay. First of all, you pay the money of cab, sir. No, sir.
Listen.
Okay. Yes.
You know, money and the skills and many things are the outcomes of time.
Okay.
But time is the supreme. Time is the most important.
But okay.
Listen.
Money can purchase all things. Okay, you know.
Money cannot
Money
purchase
purchase-
all
money
things.
purchase
Money
education.
can only
Money-
purchase the worldly desires.
Money
Cannot purchase all the things.
All things purchase. Money can all things purchase. You know.
Money can't
In
give
this
you
era-
peace.
in
Money
this-
can't give you peace.
In this era, money can purchase everything. Okay. First, okay. In this era, every people's life insurance, health insurance. Why doing these things? in
I'm
this
not
era?
saying that money is not important, but the
No,
topic
no.
is which is
In
most
future-
important, the time or money.
In future requires money. That's why in life insurance and health insurance. No, sir.
She is not saying this is not important. She is saying that time is the most important actually.
Tell me why time is not important. Why time is not most
In
important.
this era, money isn't but everything requires money. That's why money is a power.
If you don't have time, what is the importance of money? If the person will die tomorrow, then what is the need of money?
Okay. Money access the education, tuition fee, academic fees. Money open the door, better opportunity. You know.
But you have to give time. You have to give time to learn the skills.
But no, on the basis of money, na. You learn.
No, not all the time.
So why
But you have to
why
give
came in
time,
Well
na.
Talk?
You
Why
have to
came
give
in
time
Well
to
Talk?
earn money.
Why you came in Well Talk?
You have to give time.
You learning
I want to
English,
learn something.
Can,
I want
sir,
to learn
can-
some skill.
can-
That's
can-
why I came here.
After learning, you want to do job or not?
Yeah, I'm giving the time. I'm giving my time, my efforts.
Yes,
So
yeah,
I will
no.
definitely.
Yes, yeah, no.
It is depend upon me.
No, yes, yeah, no. Only two options.
I can't because I didn't decided
Only
yet.
yes and no.
I didn't decided yet, na. I didn't decided yet. So how I can? I just want to learn the skill right now.
But she is studying in lawyer. You want to lawyer in future.
So
But
you are
why?
saying that time is not important, money is important.
After learning, you want to achieve your money, like 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, many advantages. Yeah, lawyer.
I am learning because I am giving the time.
No.
I am learning some lessons.
Before giving the time in lawyer, you pay some money. After that, government provide this institute and college.
But I learned some skills also. I am saying that time is the supreme. With time, the money, love, affection, and many things are the outcomes of times. we learn something, we learn some lessons, we learn some skills, we earn money. But it is not everything. But the time is everything. Time is supreme. If the time is lost, we can't get the time back. If we lost the money, we can get it back.
Okay, you have lots of time. Okay, you don't have money. How can you develop your personality?
With time. With time.
Don't have money. Like I purchased 100.
Everyone is not rich.
Most of the people
Everyone is
purchase of
not
the
rich.
500 and 1,000 in clothes. Different of.
Everyone is not rich.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, listen me. Without money, how to develop nation or country? How to economic growth our country?
I'm saying that
Yes.
time is most important.
Yes.
Because if we don't have time,
Okay.
how we can earn money? How we can learn the skill?
Okay. If you what, sir?
I'm not saying that money is not important. Money is also important.
Money is important.
You have very much.
in
You have
modern-
lots of
Money
examples.
is important in this era. You know.
Not
Money
the
is
supreme.
everything. You know.
Money is not everything.
Money is everything.
Not-
Because, sir. How? Yes. This is the question is that. Okay.
For developing the country, we need time. We need to do the plannings. Only money doesn't
What
matter.
planning? You have a not money, okay? You have only for time. You have only for time. You have not money. So how you can develop nation?
We plan na how to
What
develop.
plan? What plan?
For development, we have planning strategies.
Which type of cities? Okay.
It is depend upon the how much development we need.
Okay.
You said one thing, if I have time, I can spend, I can make good bond with my partner. But I don't have time. You said like that above statement. But according to me, money is important because if suppose that my husband, like suppose that your husband, not your husband, he is not able to earn money. He has lots of time. You are to tolerate with him.
She will leave him.
Yes, you will leave. If he is not able to earn money, because money is important.
Not the most important. Then
Most
the time.
Most important.
Listen.
Listen. You said
Okay.
one
Firstly,
more
you
statement.
complete.
You said one more statement. If my husband are earning money and spending some most of time in office, don't get time to me. So that time, if I have money, lots of money, I can reunion with my with you, your husband reunion with you to like Goa trip, to like any abroad trip. You have to spend time with her husband because of money. Because he spend money on you and he spend on money on time. That's why you have to enjoy with her husband.
With her husband?
No, her husband, your husband. That's why money is very important. Not very important, it is most important.
But not more than time. Because
More than time, because
listen to me. You already completed. The relationship, the bonding is depend upon the time. It is important to give time to your partner.
I
Only
have
money.
money.
You cannot buy the real happiness, the real love, peace, a pure bond with only money. It will only build with time. If you will give time, you communicate, you share emotions, love, then only you can, make the strong bond with your partner.
Yes, I have.
Absolutely yes. No. Very nice.
I have money, sir. No, sir. How
We have so many speakers. Dipti, thank you so much. Please have a seat. It was really lovely to see the enthusiasm of Dipti, the way she was talking. It was looking like that she is very serious with her husband, actually, right? That in future she will be going. But somewhere you are absolutely wrong. You said that you will go for Goa trip. What is trip? Trip is a time. Our husband is giving precious time. He is having gala time. That's also a time. Afifa, please.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening, sir, for giving me this opportunity to have a Q&A with you all. And the people who are saying that money is important, they didn't have money. That's why they are saying that money is important. And we are respecting time. In a future we can have a money, but you are not respecting time. In future you will not have a money.
Because we are investing our time. In future we get lots of money.
You are investing.
That's why.
You are investing your time so that you can get a money.
Because I have no idea what is the. I have no idea. I don't want to. I am investing my time because I have lots of money.
Firstly, you are investing your time.
Because of I have. Sir. My question is to you. Where is your father is living? Where is your father living?
Abroad, in Saudi.
Why?
I think for raising us,
For raising us?
for supporting us.
You know what is
But the thing is that he spent his all time so that he can earn money. He can raise us. If he have a money and he didn't have a time, how can he earn? He can go there and earn money.
And you should respect your father.
Yeah.
Does your father will go Saudi? Will your father go Saudi? If your father have lots of money, will your father go Saudi Arabia?
If he have no time, he will go.
Before going to Saudi Arabia, your father is a.
Firstly, he has time. That's why he went Saudi Arabia for earning.
Listen. Before going to Saudi Arabia, my father, not your father, my father is as a driver. No. And he had lots of time, but he have no money. That's why he went to Saudi Arabia. He went Saudi Arabia for earning money because our.
So he is earning. He is earning so that we can have a good time. We can have a good future.
And
what a purpose of money when we don't have a good time? We are spending. We are earning money so that we can have a good time.
Yeah, this is meaningless question.
What is the meaning?
No, sir. But they are not rely on the money. So why?
I'm only asking, what about these people?
If you have time and no money, how will you feed your family?
People are asking that if you have no money, how they are raising. There is a people who have no money and they are living, and people like living in a Adivasi type people, and they don't know about the concept of money, how they are surviving.
You are living in modern era.
Modern era Adivasi is here.
Don't listen. Currently you are sir.
No logic question, please. You are online student, right? You were.
But I am now offline. Hello everyone. Hello sir. Good evening. First of all, thank you sir having me this great opportunity to present my thought to front of everyone.
They are spending a good.
Go and ask those people. They don't have money. They don't have food. They how can survive their life? Because. But are you?
Sir, you are a money oriented person. So how can you overcome the greed of money?
In this time now, everyone have lalach for money. Okay? No, on this time you support time, but you also know you want to money on future. Without money, you cannot survive in your family because your family
I am
is
just
not
asking
respected
how can you overcome the greed of money? You can kill someone for money.
Why?
But you are greedy, na? You are greedy, na?
Just like situation never come in our life, okay? When
You are greedy. Lalach.
first of all you have time but you don't have mind. First of all think. First of all think, then after you ask me question.
I already think.
She is like Dipti.
Can you tell in 1 minute your father name? What's your father name? Can you tell?
Yes, Dayanand Singh.
Dayanand Singh, na?
Yeah.
Can you tell in 1 minute?
Yeah, Dayana. Why you asking me like this question? Yes.
Sir, it is meaningless, sir. It is meaningless. Lekin if you stand, my father name is Dayanand. It is, sir, important, and timing is also important. In 1 second you have to tell, sir. Sir, you have to tell in 1 second, sir. Sir, it is depend on timing, sir.
You give the peoples
Yes.
that they are living on the street side and they don't have money, but they can earn money if they have time. How?
But why
Listen.
they not use their time for money? Why they are only spend that they don't have
It
time?
is
That's why
their choice. It is their
They
choice.
have lots of time. That's why they are garib, beggar.
They have lots of time. That's why they are not garib. This is not the truth. It's their choice that they are not utilizing the time in a correct way. If you are utilizing the time in a correct way,
This is not my problem. This is not my problem. This is their problem. They have lots of time. But then why they not use their time?
It means you are saying
for earning money, you need first time. If you have time, you can learn skill, you can develop
Why
yourself,
they
then you
are
can
not
earn money.
using their time? Why they waste their time? They
Then
have
how
lots
you
of
are
time.
thinking that money is important than time?
Because they don't have money. That's why they don't know how to live their.
This is not true. This is not true that they don't have money. There are many examples of many businessmen who don't have money,
you tell
but
they first of all listen me. When you have time, then why they cannot be they are not happy? Why? They are around their mom, dad, sister, brother, but still they are not happy just because of money. When they have money, that's why he give their family happiness. Because of money, they cannot happy.
But if
That's it, sir.
Wait. I mean, it's going good.
If-
Father brings Laina. So,
if
First of all, you also say now, I want to marry with someone.
listen, I want to complete this. I want to complete this. I want to complete this first.
My husband earn lots of money because I know love is important in our life, but money is also important in our life.
I know.
Because my husband give me lots of love, okay? But my hand some problem, my stomach have some problem, but they don't have money. They have love. How my pet? My stomach is good with love.
I want to stick on the previous topic. Listen, if the son give crore rupees to his father and he is not spending time with his father, then what is the need of this crore rupees for his father? If he is not able to spend time with his son, if the father is craving for time, love, affection, then how the son will give the love, time, affection with the help of money only?
Listen, first of all, when my father doesn't earn money, and I want to money with my father, and I live in my society. There people are very very rich, but I am not rich, and I always say my father, why you are not rich? Why you cannot give me education, best education? Why lots of my friends, they don't have money, they cannot come here because of money, but they have lots of time. They have lots of time, but they don't have money. That's why they not come here. And I have money, I can come here.
Cap sir already told that if there are many students who are
Why
here.
people not go government college because they are. It is also.
He take the fees in installment, as we already heard. As we already heard.
First of all, education never be free, okay? Because government give you sarkari schools for your education, but people not respect.
Free education.
Yes, go in village. There is a government college.
But still, she has not answered the point of husband,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, Ritika was trying to say that if I have stomach ache, okay, by love, okay, husband will say, okay, beta, no problem. Can stomach become well? You are saying bonding and love is important. Money is not important. Okay, guys, I will marry if I have problem. I will meet an accident. My wife will take care of
Sir,
me.
I want to ask one question.
What is that?
That if lots of couples have much more money, then why the divorces happen?
Just because of money.
No.
Yeah,
husband give their time to other girl. That's why they separate, not because of money. Okay?
What?
Her husband given their time to other girls. That's why they are separate now. They are not together because he wastes.
a good bond now
Ah, yes.
to other person. They build a good bond with other person.
Maybe Ritika wants to say that if wife is not earning money, husband will not give time to her. Husband will give time to that girl who is earning money. Yes. This is modern era. This is modern era. Every boy wants earning girl.
There are some cases where both are in the same department but they got divorced.
I watched lots of cases because they are also means their girls take alimony. That's why they take.
You can't define the character by only saying that they are not in the same department.
In this time, this is reality.
No, this is not the
reality
truth.
in this time.
100% truth. This is
In
not
this
the 100%
time,
truth.
Love is not work in this time. What?
You have to see the daughter, then you can talk.
Filal, in this time, that time I don't have daughter.
I want
When
to-
I have
Data.
Okay, sorry.
I want to ask a question.
Sorry.
If I am preparing government exam, okay, I am from Azamgarh, but my exam center in Lucknow. I booked the ticket, but I will be late. We can back our time.
Because of money,
No. Why are you speaking? I'm already mentioned that I booked the ticket,
I will book the ticket.
but I am not reach on the time.
When you have time, you don't have money, so how can you book
Sir,
ticket?
she is manipulating.
She is not doing that.
No, sir.
You can book a reserved car actually if you have.
Yes, you can book.
Please, Ritika, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.